It's cooking time again, and today I'm gonna make sautéed beef with green and red bell peppers. I got beef flank steak. These are cut across the fiber. I marinated with some soy sauce, some oyster sauce, some cornstarch, some white pepper, and some sherry. Here's cooking oil, avocado oil. I got some oyster sauce. I got some sesame oil, white peppers, soy sauce, green onions, ginger and garlic, and some sherry. So first thing I need to do is to fire up this baby, my high power wok. Add some oil. It's avocado oil. Just hot real quick. Garlic and ginger. Beef. Now the pepper. Add oyster sauce. Add white pepper. Add some sesame oil. Add some soy sauce. Fire it up again. Add some sherry. That should be enough. Turn it off. Here it is. Lunch. Guess what? I forgot to put the green onion in, but that's okay. You get the idea. I made this earlier. I already have a video on that, so. Bon appetit.